Hey there, science fans! Today we're diving into the world of databases. Imagine a giant, super organized filing cabinet, but instead of paper, it holds digital information. That's a database. A database management system, or DBMS for short, is like the master librarian of this cabinet. It helps you store, organize, and retrieve information with incredible speed and accuracy. Think of all the data the world generates every day. Customer details, financial transactions, medical records. It's a lot. DBMS software helps us make sense of this data deluge. It's like having a super-powered assistant that can instantly find any piece of information you need. Pretty cool, right? Now let's explore how this digital magic unfolds in various industries. Get ready for a wild ride. Databases are everywhere. They power the systems we use every day, often without us even realizing it. Let's take a look at some real-world examples. In banking, databases securely store your account information, transaction history, and more. Imagine the chaos without a reliable system to manage all those financial records. E-commerce giants like Amazon rely on massive databases to track millions of products, customer orders, and shipping details. It's mind-boggling how they process everything so smoothly, right? Hospitals use databases to manage patient records, track medications, and schedule appointments. This ensures accurate and efficient healthcare delivery. Even in education, databases play a vital role. Schools and universities use them to manage student information, track grades, and even deliver online courses. These are just a few examples of how databases impact our lives. Now let's peek under the hood and see what makes these systems tick. A DBMS is like a well-oiled machine with several key components working together seamlessly. Let's break them down. First, the hardware, like servers and storage devices. Next, the software, the brains of the operation. This is the actual DBMS software, like MySQL or Oracle. Of course, we need data, the heart of the system, then procedures, the rules and guidelines for using the DBMs. Database access language is how we communicate with the DBMs. Finally, the users who interact with the DBMs. Section 4. Popular DBM software, MySQL, Oracle, and more. Just like there are different types of cars for different needs, there are various DBM software options available, each with strengths and weaknesses. Let's look at a few popular ones. MySQL is an open-source DBMS known for its speed and reliability. It's widely used for web applications and is a great option for businesses of all sizes. Oracle Database is a robust and scalable DBMS often used by large enterprises and organizations handling massive amounts of data. It's known for its security and advanced features. Microsoft SQL Server is another popular choice, deeply integrated with other Microsoft products. It's a powerful option for businesses already invested in the Microsoft ecosystem. PostgreSQL is another open-source DBMS known for its data integrity and adherence to standards. It's a favorite among developers and is often used for complex applications. SQLite is a lightweight and portable DBMS embedded directly into applications. It's ideal for mobile apps and situations where a full-blown server-based DBMS isn't necessary. These are just a few examples of the many DBMS options available. The choice depends on specific needs and requirements. Now let's dive into the world of database objects. Section 5. Database objects, tables, forms, and beyond. Within a database, we have objects that help us organize and manage data effectively. Think of them as specialized tools within our digital filing cabinet. Tables are the foundation of a database, storing data in rows and columns, much like a spreadsheet. Each row represents a record, like a customer, and each column represents a specific attribute, like name, address, or phone number. Forms provide a user-friendly interface for entering, viewing, and modifying data in a table. They make data entry more organized and efficient. Reports allow us to present data from tables in a structured and informative way. They can be customized to display specific data points, calculations, and summaries. Queries are like powerful search tools that allow us to retrieve specific data from tables based on certain criteria. Imagine searching for all customers who live in a particular city or have made a purchase within a specific date range. Macros automate repetitive tasks within a database, saving time and reducing errors. For example, we could create a macro to automatically generate a monthly sales report. These are just a few examples of the many database objects that empower us to manage data effectively. Now let's get our hands dirty and learn how to create a table. Section 6. Creating a table, a step-by-step guide. Creating a table is the first step in building a database. Let's walk through the process using Design View. Step 1. Open your DBM software and create a new database. Step 2. Select the option to create a new table in Design View. This will open a blank table structure. Step 3. Enter the name of your first field, such as Customer ID. Choose the appropriate data type. Step 5. Set a primary key for your table. Step 6. Save your table with a descriptive name. Congratulations, you've created your first table. Section 7. The power of DBMS, efficient data management. In today's data-driven world, DBMS plays a crucial role in helping organizations manage information effectively. From storing and organizing data to ensuring security and integrity, DBMS empowers businesses to make informed decisions and stay ahead of the curve. By providing a structured approach to data management, DBMS eliminates redundancy, improves accuracy, and enables efficient data retrieval. It's like having a well-organized library where you can find any book you need in seconds. Moreover, DBMS ensures data security through access controls, encryption, and backup mechanisms, protecting sensitive information from unauthorized access and data loss. With the ever-growing volume of data being generated, DBMS has become an indispensable tool for businesses of all sizes. It's the backbone of modern information systems, enabling organizations to harness the power of data and thrive in the digital age. So there you have it. That's DBMS in a nutshell. Remember, databases are everywhere, quietly powering the systems we rely on every day. Understanding the basics of DBMS can open up a world of possibilities for managing information effectively and making sense of the data deluge. Keep exploring, keep questioning, and keep the spirit of scientific inquiry alive.